Randall and Rueff doesn't do it for the money. He just loves to take pictures. Hello, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. Randall and Rueff here. My call sign is
K9RMR.
Before we get started today, I'd like to give a shout out to a few people here. To Tom Markham, who commented, "Thanks, you saved me so much time." Well, Tom, thanks for enjoying the videos and watching them and using them. And I really appreciate you taking the time to leave a nice comment. Also, I'd like to say thank you to Daniel Brown, a new subscriber to this channel. So, Daniel, welcome to the channel, and I hope you'll keep watching. Okay, so with that in mind, let's go to, that's still uploading. Okay, let's go to www.gigaparts.com, gigaparts.com. Oops, went past it. Oh, they changed it. Okay. Gonna try to win a radio. Enter the call sign K9RMR. That's the call sign. Email address is Randall Matthew Rueff at Comcast.net. And the phone number. Entry number 1 in 3, 2, 1. Boom. Okay, how many antenna connectors are on the rear of the... I think it's either 2 or 4, but let's find out. I'm pretty sure it's at least 2, but it might be 4. Try receive connecting photos with real-time antenna connectors, 99 satellites. Let's see if it says here. Okay, here. This is probably the one we want to go to. Let's go to the first one just to see if we can't find it. ARL. I don't want to download that. Okay, here we go. Transmitter. Antenna connectors. 99 satellites, 2000 DR function. 100. Oh, that's not what I want. Antenna connectors. Receiver, sensitivity, AM, DVD, do more than blah blah blah. Keep going. Supply accessory. Rear panel. A. Let's see. What's B? And what's D? Looks like 3. C is a power socket. E is a LAN port. F is a data jack. Okay, so the answer is obviously A, B, and D. So the answer is 3. The answer is 3. And that is how you do that. So until next time, I'm Randall and Rueff. Call sign is
K9RMR.
Saying thanks for watching. Have a good day. God bless. 73s.